So let's install Python 3 on macOS. Newer version of macOS do come with Python 3 installed, but it's also probably a good idea to just have the latest available version anyways. So let's just go ahead and do this. Um, Python website is python.org, of course, and should be a fairly straightforward process. We go to the downloads part of the website that should notice that we are on macOS. Click on download, allow downloads from python.org. Download should be relatively fast. And then just execute the installer. And as usual here, agree to the license, installation target, installing it. So Python has been installed. And it already opened up the installation for us. We get the Python's integrated development environment idle. And we can start that up and see that now we have a Python shell available for us. And just to test that Python actually works, we can just use one of Python's Easter eggs and just say import antigravity, which brings us to a web comic that happens to mention Python. And so obviously Python works and we are ready to roll in Python. We will use an additional library for plotting on in Python, but we're going to install this particular package via CLine because that's actually easier than doing this manually.